So now the last one is posting regularly on Facebook Reels and Facebook timeline, on the Facebook page timeline and Reels. You have to be posting every day, no matter the level of engagement. They may be poor at the beginning, but you have to be consistent. It is consistency that makes you become a winner. You don't just win without being consistent. So you need to be posting regularly every single day. You need to be posting regularly every single day. Post, post, post. Post. It doesn't have any number of posts, but just make sure that at least your minimum per day shouldn't be anything less than three. At least three, from three and above. So you never can tell what any of your posts that may go viral. And that is one thing about social media. Sometimes the post I don't know that will go viral is one that will go viral. Sometimes the one you expect to go viral may not go viral. Sometimes you can get it right by predicting the one that will go viral, but that doesn't mean that you shouldn't be posting regularly. Know what is trending. Use trending topics. That is another way of at least for you to be able to predict the posts that are likely to go viral. Know what is trending. You can get them on Facebook, you can get them on TikTok, you can get them on Instagram, and the best place to get what is trending actually trending is on YouTube, TikTok. As in, sorry, on X, which is Twitter. So there's a lot of topics. If you are the kind of person that always react to people's video, you have to always be in the news. Follow influencers, Tunde Not, Very Dark Man. You can even follow Blessing CEO if you like. You can follow these controversial content creators. There are so many people who always update about the latest trend. If you are very active on Facebook, on social media, not even only on Facebook, you should know what is actually trending at a particular time and make content to that. Even if you don't make your own content, you can react to a viral or controversial content. Because one thing about posting on social media is that controversial content trends and they always go viral. Not all of them, but majority of them always go viral. So if you are very consistent with the way you do your research, the way you post regularly every single day on Facebook, believe me, from now till July, you will start noticing something on your page. One of the biggest problems we always have is us not being consistent, getting discouraged by the performance of our page. Then the one thing we always forget is that the big boys today was once like you. So if they had been that they gave up, maybe they won't be where they are today. So don't give up. Continue posting. I think this is where I've come to the end of this video. I will upload this thing on YouTube and I'll be sharing them on my Facebook groups so that to help me to at least attend to people, because normally it is always tedious for me to be updating on repeating tutorials every single day on my group. So I believe you, as a content creator, you can be able to afford data. Thank you.